What if I told you, despite how you're feeling right now, you are not broken? You are in the final stage of becoming something unbreakable. And by the end of this short video, you are going to see your entire narcissistic relationship totally differently. Because what you think damaged you is actually what forged you. Being with a narcissist brings some of the lowest moments of your entire life. It does not matter if it was 1 year, if it was 24 years of marriage, if it was a partner, or in many cases, even a parent. The manipulation, the gaslighting, the walking on eggshells, the emotional chaos, the constant pressure, the relentless heat and anger. It feels at the time like it is totally destroying you. But here is the shift. Why you're here. Diamonds are not created in comfort. They are formed under extreme pressure, deep beneath the surface in darkness, under heat intense enough to crush almost anything. Does that sound familiar? That relationship was pressure. The arguments were heat. The silent treatments were darkness. The confusion was compression. It was a dogfight. And yet, you are still standing. You're here watching this. You're healing. You're becoming the best version of yourself. Under that pressure, you did not shatter. You did not disappear. You did not become what they tried to reduce you to. What happened is you survived what was designed to weaken you. And that alone is not weakness. What happened to you was formation. But here's the part that people don't really think about. When you finally leave a narcissist, that moment where you decide to choose yourself, when you start to detach, what they do in those situations, they often try and pull you back into the relationship. This is called hoovering, sudden apologies, love bombing, short bursts of affection, followed by fresh pain. And it feels like you are being hurt all over again. But do you know what happens to a diamond right at the end of its creation? A diamond, right at the end, it gets cut. Sharply, precisely, and intentionally. And it's not to destroy it, but when it gets cut, it's to shape it. The cutting phase is what makes it sparkle. The cutting is what gives it its brilliance. The cutting reveals what it always was. I think you can see where I'm going here. Leaving a narcissist can feel exactly like that. It feels like you've been cut. It feels sharp. It feels painful. It feels like a loss. But what's actually happening to your life is refinement. It is the final stage before you see yourself clearly. Because once a diamond has gone through all that pressure and that cutting, it becomes one of the hardest substances on earth. It cannot be broken again. It cannot be broken by what once broke it before. It reflects light instead of absorbing darkness. The diamond, once it's created, it shines. What you went through was awful. You did not deserve it. It was unfair. It hurt in ways most people will never truly understand. And that's probably why you're watching this. But what I'm here to tell you is it did not ruin you. What it did at this stage is it revealed you. You are stronger than you were before, wiser than you were before. At this stage, you're more aware. You're more resilient. And the person who once tried to dim your light, they cannot survive in the brilliance of who you are now becoming. So if you can remember one thing from this video, then remember this. You were not broken. You were forged. You were not destroyed by a narcissist. You were refined to who you are today. You are not weak for loving them deeply. You are rare because that's something you can do. And at this stage, all I can say is that means you are a diamond. Pressure created you. Pain shaped you. And now it's your turn to shine. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to watch more videos from me in the future. Until then, take care.